Yeah, man, big up the people them who believe in you know, if you tear down an next person for build yourself, you see it, walk one when you dep and welcome to the channel, you see it, and yo, a whole lot of things are going on the net now from Spice drop the song, you see it. Yo, Momo there, she let out a lot of things, you see it. She make you know some whole lot of things about beauty bling where might be enough people know or enough people don't know yet, and you see it, a 15-year-old where the old man got trouble. John was star. We can't rate no Obeah man around here enough for Obeah man go tear down the next people and tie down people life and them something there. You see it? So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You see it? And you can voice an opinion in the comment section. You see it? For Momo there, expose RT. You see it? And the man no boss around here.
Boy with the recording. And you know so that so why you would cancel that? When we see you gone, that people for less more. I may get quiet. Now I'm thinking somebody that got quiet down. But I did get quiet because I already gave it to the authorities. I know this thing take time. He must have thought
Once
I'm a
once in
person
the
gonna
once in the authority and you have to just leave it to go out do them I do.
So I never played the recording until this year. 2 months ago on She's Live. That's the first time he heard the whole recording. You know how much time Mela asked me for the recording? I'm gonna send Gia. I'm never send it go give her soul. And the day when Cheese me say Mela send it to her. I'm send it to Mela. That's when Mela first get it. When everybody are listening over TikTok. Over TikTok, them have a different life from Instagram, you know. Them feel like them have different somebody over there, you know. Same thing with Blinga. Nobody narrate and respect. Blinga is a typical New York person that is on government fucking assistance and sit on one tear down people business and don't want nobody touch for your own. You don't get up and go to work, you don't do nothing. And I said it out loud the other day. Are you letting them know that you're collecting monies off of TikTok? Because when you're on those things, you have to report every dollar to them. That is it. I hate when people come out and try boast on people, real hardworking people, and get up under them 9 to 5. You see me? I work hard for 6 months and then the rest of the year. That's what me do. That's what me feel like. You see me not gonna come and I cuss people on social media and know me and do certain things. That's but to not too right. All of the day when I feel her turn and him start cuss bling and the other day if you pay attention. Oh, I don't want to answer this. I don't want nobody in my business. But you get up every day tearing down other individuals. So how does it make
Weird.
sense? You get up and cuss people where really I go work. You get up every day and beg money. Your rent is probably $100. And when a Neil come out and prove, say you have a Medicaid card and this and that and all this thing. Everybody knows, sir, once you have pitney, you're going to get certain things in New York. You don't even have a blood clot walk. You get also. But you see, through my children, I never want them to be a statistic of growing up in apartment buildings. I want them to run around and have their space and to be a statistic because you become the product of your environment in Atlanta and I bust my ass. So when me say uno people who act like uno somebody, I always have to bring enough on the eye ass and remind you, especially when they're over there, I say my son on the recording, for make you know, me and uno is not the same. That's why me is not an informer, but me sometime inform. So that's why I say last name farmer, sometime informer. Because I feel like me a Robin Hood. I'm like when me get justice to people. Because sometimes I'm too hard and bright. You see, I make she run out yesterday. You have to get to put on your filter yesterday. Me never know if me I watch you are not nice last night.
Jesus.
Momo.
Whooping your head not nice.
Right, so. So 3 o'clock, Mama. I'm expect it. I'm not clock I shall get it here.
And me see her last night. Me say, yeah, but I am standing by him with these allegations. Of
Serious
course you are.
allegation.
Until
Serious allegation.
what Momo
ACS came
until
out to the house
Until
and
it's proven.
you Blinga, you remove your daughter out of the house over a man. Even you think a man could have set it up yourself. You think I'm down in a house and me remove my daughter when him say,
Hey,
or even
George.
that the ACS come out. Amari never did a lie. From that day, the Blinga hate me come up there question Amari. And Amari, I know when Amari is trolling, I know when she not. I say Amari get serious and stop the thing, let me talk. And every time Amari tell the story, it don't change. She said, Blinga, you sat on the phone and confided in me. Remember? That's what she do, and she start talk. ACS came out to the house. Come on. Let's get realistic. She never did that troll. So if you would have take your pitney out house, man, of course you have to stand by RT. But I'm gonna stand by him till him guilty. You see me rather not support find out say innocent. Thank you. Thank you,
I'm gonna tell
Sonny.
you sorry.
Yep, true. That is so true.
Mm-hmm.
Sunny.
I said that shit.
Proper
Me,
disgusting.
me, me rather go and sit down and say, you know what, I'm not going to hold your hand and support you to the situation. I'm going to have to hold my distance until it's done. And you would have to understand as a person, as a
Mm-hmm.
parent, as a father. Because you see what them do with Jermaine, and you say, what did the hype up on yourself? Jermaine get 9 years of prison now for when me met the
Hold on.
on a
Pastor
silent
Smith, a German name, because you know, other German name. Like,
OBC radio. Not that Jermaine, not JB,
no,
the
I'm just
producer
saying every
boy.
German, we know people,
Oh.
it's a German thing.
I'll forget
Jesus
about him.
Christ.
Even when I did the live about JB, the producer, them beat me. So them I go call police for them I go get lawyer. I'm if stop call up him name Ray. Come and say, how can a little girl go to her friend house? And the friend looking at the phone.
I see
I
this
see
picture.
it, she has sent
No, it's
pussy
not our
picture to
friend.
her
It's not our
father.
friend. It's our step sister.
Oh,
Oh, you see me? So the mother is JB wife. You get me?
so that,
So the
but
step
overall,
sister take
hear
the
me
phone
tell
and
them
show
where
the
them
mother.
sound fool now. The child was removed.
Boy,
Them been every time RT read somebody wrong and the person say, no, that's not me, you're wrong. And that's not how it go. Him get mad, ignorant. I say, move your too much and kick them off him life. If you don't pay
Mm-hmm.
attention. Him think water
Cause
down.
these
Nobody.
people are so brainwashed.
Yo, people
If him say
always
something to
want
them,
something
follow
to
him, I
believe in,
say.
you know. People
Mm-hmm.
always want to believe in something called life hard, you know. But
Very.
him not realize the life so hard right now. People now pick up them blood clot money gear. Remember, same reading used to be $1,500 one time, you know. Then it got down to 1,000. Then it go down to 850. Now I bust the all black. Till now, every day I'm sitting on.
Mm-hmm.
yep,
From
yep.
the beginning, I've never took RT seriously. You want to know why?
Could never.
People in the religion that are real would never come on
Never go
social
that.
media and do what he's
Never.
doing.
No.
Me
They
not
wouldn't and
ask
they wouldn't them
Christ.
wouldn't speak certain way like other people
Okay.
no wouldn't. They wouldn't. And if they keep themselves pure
It's a
Some of
fake
mama eat that,
and
you know.
something
religion.
more.
Mama,
You
you
know,
know,
all the
Yeah.
time, you
food
don't,
by a
and
small.
You got
you
proper
want to know, you
prophets.
can't
You
work
have got
on
prophets
people.
out here.
You can't work
You've got
on
prophets.
people and sitting on
Mm-mm.
platforms
That's
and
what
say
when we
you get
go on
all these
TikTok, I'm a
energies.
cussing out. Everybody has to, oh, my brave. Brave the blood of Jesus on him bum buck.
He's
I can
he's
Oh,
not
touch
so
me.
you're
a
mad.
real
You know
prophet.
me
He's
tell
not you have got
tell
Tell me about
prophets.
prophet
me
and I
not
give
give
a
up
fuck.
you never tell people go up
He's not a
your people
prophet.
for me. Go
I'm
suck
tell
your
them free with
mama.
the Holy Ghost. Him can't touch me. If he knows I'm gonna fuck,
Crazy.
I go down for
And
my
when
knee
me
and pray
see
and talk to me,
that
I'm gonna
nice
block.
when me see that nice ring, I laugh. Me I laugh after that nice, you know.
Or right
God that
now get
nice,
ring
I realize
from.
My
that.
mother, I would
I
dash it
want
away.
to see
Yeah,
if
too
that nice
enough
ever see me
Yeah,
crosses
no,
a drop by
One day,
yourself.
damn right,
one
enough
day
for
Yeah,
I
you
man
know,
two.
go call
never
me
know if I them something they make you go down. Cause them something
I
them
know that
crosses drop by you, you
one day
know.
man
I mean if I
you
that.
call me no here
Oh.
no. The boss
Mm.
said for put on your ring. I'm over here war with somebody, you know. And
Mm.
them I watch. Boss said put on your ring, that's why everybody I run out by you. And she depend alive. And true me there I pray with him the time. Me go get the ring. The ring out, you know me keep that ring? You know my spirit tell me to do with that ring? Me put that ring in our black box. Anybody will know the religion, when you want to block off something, when you want to lock something, you block it in a dark entity. I put that shit lock up in our black box.
That
Up until today. Until my spirit tell me what to do with it.
$29 ring I talk about 4,000 US. Like
I
I say, what
gimmicks, me
idiot.
did I go gimmicks, I go to Jamaica with content. I'ma put it in our black box. And that me do. Cause when me ready, then me say something say go Google the ring, Momo.
Mm-hmm.
$29.
$29. About 4 grand.
I can't fuck
Him not
with
no
you.
style. Him a left it in the box so it come in. All me did put seen a dragon claw ring, silver. So me for take off my wedding band when me have on my hand from 2019 when I go have people federal blood clot penitentiary and me have to get approved by the feds to marry my husband for go put on here like a $29 ring.
$29, you know. So,
$29. I don't know, like serious, $29. And think
But
it
tell
depend
you
every
see all
time it go
this
for a
time,
sale
I
too.
know RT cannot tame my studies behavior, so I waited for the day when I know he was going to clap. I didn't expect it, but I governed myself from the beginning. The first time I ever went on this man live, then me I say something. Him I say, oh everybody, cause Pinky Pinks tell him for add me. So him say, oh so much people know you. Me say, I said I don't know. I be on live and stuff. And then I said a lot of people know me too, well the Jamaican community from Chatham Laugh. Him say, oh, Laugh, are you general? Me say, yeah, my boss that. Him say, are you general that? Me say, yeah. The man goes on and say, move off from my life.
yeah, there. The man
Yeah,
is a
me never know
think
say him a
everyone
love
that
or
pays him
war.
money can report him. He scam and rob so much of
Don't
you
worry, there
with
that is in the
lies and
making.
misleading
That
information.
that is when me make my report, I might have other report, for scamming, soon catch up on him and PP thing, So the time him have I forgot get about 3 to 5. Remember say you already get in a trouble with some tax revenue thing. The paperwork is out there. People just have to search and find on their own.
But Nicki Minaj buy
Yeah.
Mm.
him house.
So anyway, and him have
Oh,
mortgage.
what you
You
say?
never
Nicki Minaj buy him
hear that?
house.
No, I've never heard that. What do you mean by Nicki Minaj bought him house?
That's what him say.
Oh, God. That man's draining.
Yeah.
When you have mortgage.
I say buy him house by cash.
Okay.
Hey, but them did I give the idiot, them the royal family did I give him the money though.
Mm-mm.
After I make after I make
Imagine
PP
me if I
divorce.
take up work and I give somebody my money.
You have to
Say me I
people
play into.
okay.
I heard about people in Canada that sells their houses and paying for that. That's true.
Mm.
I think a big scam, man.
Look when he used to go live and when he used to say everybody send money. Even gifting, when it come to gifts and stuff. Remember one time everybody shoot. You see that one again?
Mm-mm. I don't
Okay.
really
And
watch
it's
him. I only watch through if me follow
oh
Bling. Me want to follow Bling. So if him dip
you
on
know
live, I look
you know why
excitement,
I
I
was
will
laughing?
see it. But I'm not follow him.
The day when I cuss him, the man say, you hear me now? Royal family, get up. We have to get the lawyer money together for go against Momo. You want to hear me? I mean, watch him and him itty boo them. Watch him. Watch Mr. Real Richard ask the lawyer money. Then you know what him do? He put up a post. And Jojo have it, she post it to Momo, the war, the royal family, the war against Momo is cancelled. Why you would have cancel if me I come out and